Good morning, my dear students. How are you today? I hope you're doing good. Okay? Just stay at home, relax. Okay. For today's lesson, it is all about factors and greatest common factor. We'll say greatest common factor or GCF, the same thing as highest common factor, abbreviated HCF. Okay? This time, I would like you to focus on the video screen. We do this one. Let's practice. Let's practice. Number 1. Question. What are the factors of 12? We have, 1 and 12. We have 2 and 6. And we have 3 and 4. Those are factors of 12. Next, what are the factors of 81? We have this one, 1 times 81. Look at the video screen, open your eyes. Then we have 3 and 27. Another is 9 times 9, that is 81. So the factor of 81 is 9. Okay. Let's proceed. I would like you to practice. This time, let's identify the numbers that are not factors of the numerals given in a set. But first, you need to identify what are the factors of 12 to be able to identify the numbers that are not factors. Okay, Mai? Okay, let's do number 1. What are the factors of 12? You know this one. What are the factors of 12? We have 1 and 12. Very good. We have 2 and 6. And then we have 3 and 4. Question. What are the numbers that are not factors? So it's 5 and 10. Very good. Next, let's have number 2. Let's give the factors first of 24. We have 1 and 24. We have 2 and 12. We have 3 and 8. Another is 4 and 6. Now, you identify the numbers that are not factors of the numerals. We have 9, 15, and 19. Okay, very good. Let's have practice 2. Write the factors of the given numbers. What is the factor of, or what are, I should say, the factors of 20? We have 1 and 20. Very good. Another, we have 2 and 10. And then we have 4 and 5. Factors lesson is so easy for you, I know. Now, let's try this one. Number 2. 36. Let's find the factors of 36. We have 1 and 36. We have 2 and 18. Another, anybody? We have 3 and 12. Yes, you're right. Another is we have 4 and 9. And the last one we have 6. Because 6 times 6 is 36. Okay? So the rest, number 3, number 4, number 5, you try this one. You do exercise at home. Okay? Okay, next. Let's have this one. This is the answer key. Okay, but you have to try, you have to test yourself. Okay? And then you have to check your work. Just be honest. Okay? Okay. Let's try this one. Let's have practice 3. This time, we are going to write T if the statement is correct. And F if the statement is wrong. We say T, true. When you say F, false. Okay, T, okay. F, not okay. Okay, next, number 1. Let's try number 1. 4 is the factor of 21. What is the answer? The statement is wrong. If the statement is wrong, so you are going to write F. Okay, false. Why? Because the factors of 21 are, we have 1 and 21, 3 and 7, right? So, it's not only 4. 4 is the factor of 21. The answer is F. Okay, let's proceed to example number 2. We have 1, 3, and 4 are the only factors of 12. Again, 1, 3, and 4 are the only factors of 12. Again, the statement is wrong, so you need to write F. Why? Because the factors of 12 are 1 and 12, 2 and 6, 3 and 4, right? Again. What about 9? 9 is not a factor of 99. Is this statement correct or wrong? The statement is wrong. Why? Because 9 is a factor of 99. And we have 11. So the statement is wrong. You need to write F. Right? Another one. We have 1, 2, 4, and 8 are the factors of 8. Is that correct? Yes. The statement is correct. So you need to write T. What about number 5? Number 5, 3 is a factor of 26. The statement is correct or wrong? Anybody? The statement is wrong because 2 and 13 are the factors of 26. So you write F. Last, we have number 6. 1 is a factor of all numbers. The statement is correct. So you need to write T. Okay. The statement is correct. Now, let's do this. What are the factors of 12? You know this one. What are the factors of 14? Without looking at these answers, I would like you to try these exercises at home. And we have this one. List all the factors of each number in ascending order, I should say. Then find the common factors and greatest common factors. Let's do this. We have 6. What is the factor of 6? Anybody? We have 1 and 6. Very good. Another, we have 8. What are the factors of 8? We have 1 and 8. And 2 and 4. Now, what is the common factor? We have 1 and 2. What about the greatest common factor? We have 2. Now, I would like you to look this answer. So, Teacher Bill told you earlier, what are the factors of 6? We have 1 and 6, 2 and 3. Factors of 8, we have 1 and 8, 2 and 4. What are their common factors? We have 1 and 2. So they have 1 and 2. What is the greatest common factor or highest common factor? 2. Okay. Next, let's have this one. 9 and 18. What are the factors of 9? Can you try this one? What are the factors of 18? Get your paper and pen or pencil. And what is the greatest common factors or the highest common factors? We have this one. So let's try. Look at the video screen. What are the factors of 9? We have 1 and 9 and we have 3. What are the factors of 18? We have 1 and 18, 2 and 9. Another, we have 3 and 6. So what are the common factors? We have 1, 3, and 9. What is the highest common factor? With this example, we have 9. Let's try. This is the answer. Okay. Look at the video screen and check your work. Be honest, I told you. Okay. Easy, right? So now, okay, I have much examples, but Teacher Billy would like you to do this exercise. Okay, let's practice. So now it's your turn. You do practice 2. Okay, but before that, this is to remind everyone that you need to do your homework on page 75 of your math book in action 6A. You do this one, practice 2. Okay. You need to find the common factors and the greatest common factors. Okay? I hope you will enjoy doing the exercises. You need to practice and develop your skills in mathematics, especially with this lesson. Okay? Okay, so you have to do this one. Okay, I'll give you one example. Find the common factors and the greatest common factors, or the highest common factor. What are the factors of 12? We have 1 and 6. Another, we have 2 and 6. And we have 3 and 4. What about 18? What are the factors of 18? You need to listen and learn what are the factors of 18. We have 1 and 18, 2 and 9, 3 and 6. So Teacher Billy will give you the first example. Okay? What are the greatest, or I should say, what are the common factors? We have, in example number 1, we have 1, 2, 3, and 6. What is the greatest common factor or the highest common factor in our example number 1? The greatest or the highest common factor is? Anybody? Yes, it's 6. So now, that's all for today. So teacher will say bye. See you soon.